Hello guys, we're here at Tommy's Express Car Wash. 2 days ago was Member Appreciation Day. I think what it's called. We are prepared to load. Then we have all of this. I need to. The rockets are like wraps now. Have the wraps. Now we have Red Hot Flimber. We have wraps, more wraps. D-Wrap combo, rocket D-Wrap combo, mitter back there. D-Wrap combo now. Now let's see all the body wraps, high pressure rinse, Tommy Guard, dry rinse, spot free rinse. Then we have the D-Wrap combos. Then we have the dry huggers, low in the dry huggers. Prepare. Dry huggers. Pretty much from my mom's car. And the oil in the grease makes your car dirty again. Very close to your car. That's Tommy's Express Car Wash. Bye.